Welcome to Wonderworld Kids TV, where learning is fun for kids and everyone. Let's explore, imagine, and grow together. Hey friends, let's learn 15 awesome tools you can find in a toolbox. Ready? Go! This is a hammer. Hits nails into wood or other materials. This is a screwdriver. Turns screws to tighten or loosen them. This is a wrench. Grips and turns nuts or bolts. This is a pliers. Grabs, bends or cuts wires and objects. This is a tape measure. Measures length or distance accurately. This is a level. Checks if surfaces are perfectly straight. This is a handsaw. Cuts wood or other soft materials. This is a utility knife. Slices or trims various materials. This is a chisel. Chips or shapes wood or stone. This is a drill. Makes holes or drives screws quickly. This is a clamp. Holds objects tightly in place. This is an Allen key. Turns screws with hexagonal holes. This is a paintbrush. Spreads paint evenly on surfaces. This is a sandpaper. Smooths rough surfaces or edges. This is a workbench. Sturdy table for building or repairing. Tools are cool. Keep building, keep learning. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.